We could talk for days about what's a story and what isn't a story, but for me, an image that lingers, that is told, a memory based on that image, that to me is a story. I'm interested in sort of a moment, but I would conflate the narrative journey sometimes is a moment. I often start the day reading, and sometimes I don't stop and I don't write. You know, the reading is a form of writing in a weird way, and so they're not just. I think they're not just intertwined; they're interdependent. I would say the wonderful thing about it is that I can just take from so many different language traditions, cultures, folklore. Everything that goes into storytelling in different places informs what I do. I can just say that my fiction writers here have been absolutely wonderful to work with and so engaged from the minute they walk in the door. Can writing be taught? People come in and say, I'm a beginner, I've never done this before. I'm like, no, you're not. You've been telling stories since how long? I find it exciting to sort of open the door on that idea, because then they realize, oh, it's true, and kind of how to harness that, how to work with that ability that they pretty much already have.
You're close there, but...
What a class offers and what I try to foster in my own classes, it offers a community of people who care. And that is incredibly important to developing these storytelling skills and critical reading skills, where you're interchanging ideas with others who have also read the same stuff and see the different readings and the different things that people notice. On the one hand, no, is some of this innate and unteachable? Possibly, but a lot of it can be brought out in these kind of classroom communities.